here I am, life is a friend. And so are you, nice to meet you again. Live my life independently. Lonely moments, wandering free. One day I left home, didn't know what I was heading for, where I would go. Live my life without destiny. Whatever happened, just let it be, let it be. Let it be. Aren't those words the best you'd ever heard? Let it be. Aren't those words the best you'd ever heard? For me, for me. You came in my life, but the wind would blow. Stormy weathers come and go. Deep inside I know the truth. I just can't stop loving you, loving you, loving you. Aren't those words the best you ever heard? Loving you. Aren't those words the best you'd ever heard? For you, for you, for you. We'll stop running around, just lay down. Listen to the sound of seasons come, as seasons go. And when it's freezing, it is cold. The dark is black, the sun shines bright. And when you come back, you can hide under my wings. You can hide, you can hide. You can hide. Aren't those words the best you'd ever heard? You can hide. Aren't those words the best you'd ever heard? For you, for you, for you. Oh, hey, and that's me. Singing this song for you. I'm singing this song for you, 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 you. Sometimes I see the moon shines a light on me. She's shining bright and I know there's no way out, can't hide. Someone is watching me everywhere I go. My shadow follows me. That is me. It is just me. I see in your eyes, my eyes reflect in yours. Consciousness is the key you can't hide. Tell me what's going on. Everywhere I go, you keep an eye on me. That is me. That is me. That is me now. What I really am is what I am. You know what is what I am, and if I die, what I really am won't say goodbye. I know, I see, I know there's emptiness beyond you and me, but I swear my heart is beating me every minute that I am living. Now truth is just another word to satisfy your restless, obsessed mind. Somehow I know there's something deep inside of me. It might be God, it might be anything. My soul sounds like an echo of nothingness deep inside. You know who I am, who I am, who I am. What I really am is what I am. You know what I really am is what I am. Won't go. What I really am is what I am, and if I die, what I really am won't say goodbye. I met some people, you think they are poor. They begging money in front of a store. They take their places, don't look you in the eye, but they can smell you when you walk on by. Don't be wrong to see the dirt, 'cause you don't know their story. Their eyes are clear and you might be hurt, 'cause they don't feel no sorry for your close-minded heart. Close-minded heart. Yeah. Sometimes they stare at you and you turn away. Sometimes they touch you, why don't you stay? They take their places, don't look you in the eye, and when you pass by you are scared for the smile. Don't be wrong to think you got more, 'cause you are not going anywhere. Your eyes are clear and your life is an open door. Don't lock it, just tell me, how much do you care for the child in your heart? There's a child in your heart. There's a child in your heart. Hey, Mr. B Beggar, I've seen you before. Didn't you sleep last night at my front door? Now don't you hear what I say? I don't want you here to stay. I'm close today. I'm close today. I'm close today. They live their life in dust, they live in faith. They shine their lights in their shady caves. I've been there, it was meant to be, to convince the darkness I will set me free. Don't be wrong to think you got lost, 'cause you are not going anywhere. Your eyes are clear and your heart is still beating, and you are always here. Yeah, yeah, you are always here, yeah, you are always here. I met some people, they took my hand when I was singing in the streets, and I could not stand all those questions about the poverty, the sick and the bad, the goodness of humanity, the living, the dead. Now, don't you have any songs to give me? Asked the beggar as he stretched out his hand to my soul. His eyes were clear and he made me happy when he threw out the only and one penny which he stole from the crowd. But they didn't know